Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for the most authentic, genuine leather backpack purse, check this one out. The stitching is remarkable. This is by COOLCY. They have done a great job with this backpack. The elaborate craftsmanship, you can really see it here. The vegetable tan full grain leather is gorgeous. I love that it's easy to use with the wide open mouth. I can grab things very easily and see what I'm doing inside the bag. And it's easy to store things as well. It holds my 13-inch laptop and it has 11 different unique pockets so that I can keep organized and remember where I put things. I can cinch it closed so it's nice and secure, and it has an ease of closing the clasp. I also love that it has this back zipper pocket that's 7.5 inches, and I can really generously store things in there as well. I love that the straps are made of leather on the outside, but the inside is this unique buckle material that is very durable and strong. The straps are adjustable so I can wear my puffy jackets. They can be adjusted at 35 inches at the longest, and it has this smooth top handle as well. I love taking this with me on my woodsy adventures and my trips. It's comfortable to wear on my back for long periods of time, and I love the size of it. It holds everything that I need, and nothing comes flying out of this backpack. It's nice and secure. The bag itself is 12.8 inches tall, it's 10.5 inches wide, and its depth is 5 inches. So it's definitely big enough to hold everything that I want, my essentials, but it's not bulky by any means. So this purse is perfect for any occasion, and I love the smell of it as well.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.